In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch cameras in Google Meet. Whether you're using a different camera for better quality or troubleshooting an existing one, adjusting your camera settings in Google Meet is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you need to join or start a Google Meet call. This might be a scheduled meeting or an impromptu video call with friends or colleagues. Having a meeting open is crucial because Google Meet settings appear only during a call. Once you're in the call, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you'll notice a three-dot menu icon which is indicative of more options. It looks like a vertical ellipsis. Go ahead and click on this icon. This action opens up a menu with several available options related to call settings and configurations. From this menu you'll want to select Settings. This brings up a new window where you can adjust various settings such as your video, audio, and general configuration preferences for the call. In the settings window, your focus should be on the video tab. Clicking on this tab will reveal all video related settings, including camera and resolution options. It's an essential section if you want to tweak how you appear to other participants in the meeting. Once in the video tab, you'll see a section labeled Camera. Next to it, there will be a drop-down menu. Click on this menu to display a list of all available cameras connected to your device. This list might include your computer's built-in camera, any external webcams you have plugged in, or even virtual camera software if you have any installed. Go through the available options and select the camera you wish to use. Make your choice based on which device offers the best video quality, the angle you want, or even which one is functioning correctly at the moment. After selecting your desired camera, you must apply these changes so they take effect. To do this, look towards the bottom of the settings window and click Done. This saves your choices and immediately switches the camera for your Google Meet session. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your camera in Google Meet. This adjustment can make a significant difference in your video call experiences, whether you're aiming for better quality, a different angle, or simply switching due to technical issues with another camera. Remember, you can revisit these settings anytime during a call if you need to switch back to a different camera or make any additional adjustments. Adjusting your camera settings is just one of the ways you can optimize your Google Meet sessions for both personal and professional use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your next video call.